Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort to do a full room tour of a newly remodeled Lagoon View room. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a nice amount of space for everyone.
Now they've been remodeling all of the rooms here at Grand Floridian. One building they turned into a Disney Vacation Club building with resort studios. You can find a tour of that in the description and at the end of this video. But this room, along with all the rest at the resort, are still regular cash hotel rooms you can book through the Disney World website or by calling in. And these rooms are absolutely beautiful.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here, over on our left we have the closets. They've got a beautiful floral pattern here on the outside of the doors, and inside you're going to find a full-length mirror on the left. You've got an extra pillow and blanket up top for your day bed. You have some robes here because you are fancy at the Grand Floridian with that closet rod there. There's also a luggage rack down below with some storage space for your luggage. And the other half of the closet here is shelves. You've got a steamer in here. You also have your in-room safe and additional storage space here. Right next to our closet, we have our coffee maker. We have a Keurig coffee maker in this room now. They've got some mugs and some glasses up here. And then right below that, there's a drawer where you'll find all of the K-cups and creamers, sugars, cups, things like that. There is also a cooler down here, a beverage cooler, not a mini fridge, so there is no freezer section on it. And it does only get down to about 41 degrees. So not something you want to keep things like medication in, but it is good for keeping your drinks cold. And then up here behind the coffee maker, you may have noticed we've got some beautiful artwork that looks like embroidery there with Mary Poppins and the kids and Bert. And they've got some other little Mary Poppins elements like the robin there and the umbrella upside down at the top. And they've got that design up here at the top as well. Over on the other side of the room when we came in, we have the bathroom. You can see there is a barn door to close off this section of the bathroom now, which is really nice. One thing to note though is that this barn door does not have a lock on it. The one that closes off the second half of the bathroom over here does have a small lock, but the main bathroom entrance does not have a way to lock. We've got a double vanity in here with a good amount of space underneath for storage and a ton of counter space up here. Lots and lots of room to spread out. Over on the left, we've got a little makeup mirror here in the corner, and our entire mirror on the wall is lighted all the way around. Great lighting in here and a beautiful giant mirror there on the wall. We've got a few little toiletries over here in the corner, and there is an outlet on each side of the vanity so you can plug up your hair dryers and such. We've got a pretty piece of artwork there on the wall from Mary Poppins. And then the other half of the bathroom here, again with that door that does have a lock on it, we've got our toilet in here and a little towel rod. We also have our tub shower combo. They've switched it over to the sliding glass doors here with the shower and tub, and we have these brand new refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispensers. They're actually just like the ones they used on Star Cruiser, just with different design on there. And then we have a brand new shower head in here, the rainfall style shower head up top, and then the detachable wand right there next to it. As we head over here into the main part of the room, you'll see that we have two queen size beds. Those are our main beds here in the room. And as with most of the remodeled rooms these days, they have raised those up off the ground, so you have storage space underneath. They've added a giant area rug in here, so even though we do have the hard floors, there's a little bit of carpet here in the room. Over on the side of this bed, you'll see we have a tiny little table there. That's actually for charging your devices at night. They've got an outlet down below with two wall outlets, a USB-C and a USB-A there. So a really nice addition to the rooms. We've got a light here on the side, and we also have a little reading lamp built into the headboard there. And then on the wall next to this bed, we have another piece of artwork. Lots of beautiful paintings around these rooms, of course, all fitting with that Mary Poppins theme and tying in with that. This particular room is here on the 4th floor, which is the top floor of this part of the building. Some parts of the building do have a 5th floor, but this one, since it's the top, has these beautiful vaulted ceilings. We love it when we're here and have these top floor rooms because they just feel so much bigger and more open with the vaulted ceiling. And you'll notice as we're looking up there, the chandelier with the little birds all the way around it, except the one glass bird over here that's a penguin. Little Mary Poppins touches all over the room here. Across from the beds on this side, we have a dresser and desk area. You can see there's a little bench down below, and then you have a white box up here, which is where you're going to find your hair dryer for the room. And then on the end of the desk, right down there, you can kind of see more outlets. There's 2 wall outlets and a USB and USB-C. We've got our TV up here above the dresser, really good sized TV there. And then our drawers are nice and big, lots of storage space here in the drawers. And you do have 4 of those there on that dresser. And there's an additional outlet over here on the end, just like the one on the other side. So lots of places to charge your devices here in this room. We have a nice couch over here that actually converts into a day bed, so the back folds down and there's a bed there. Alyssa will pull that down here in just a few minutes. We've got some artwork on the wall of 17 Cherry Tree Lane, and we see Mary Poppins flying in there. And then over in between the beds, we do have a small nightstand that has a couple drawers there. They're also a pretty good size. You can see there's lots of space inside there. And then we have a lamp up here that has some Mary Poppins elements in it. As you look around, you'll see there's an umbrella there and a few other little things all the way around the lampshade. And the same elements you can find over here on the pillows, little throw pillows on the bed. There's some umbrellas and little penguins and things like that on the pillows. You do have some outlets over on this side of the bed as well. They're just hiding over on the side of the little nightstand, just like they're on the side of the dresser. Very, very smart use of the space and adding those into the room here. We're gonna head out and show you the balcony and the view here from this room. Before I head outside, I just wanted to let you know that they do have another little shelf on this side of the bed, even though we didn't see it a little earlier. That is there for you. Now we're gonna head out and show you the view with this lagoon view room. This particular room has a pretty amazing view. As we head out here, you can see it's kind of an enclosed balcony because we're on the top floor. It's a little bit different than the lower floors. Got a couple chairs and a table out here and an absolutely incredible view of the Seven Seas Lagoon. We've got Contemporary and Bay Lake across the way. And then we have Magic Kingdom, which honestly, they call this room a lagoon view. Don't tell Disney, but I'm pretty sure I would consider this a theme park view, considering that's Magic Kingdom right there. You can see Space Mountain, Tron, Cinderella Castle. You've got the monorail going by. The one thing that I'm not quite sure of is how good of a fireworks view you'll have from here, because they happen off to the left of the castle, kind of right where the corner of the building is. You should be able to see some of them, but maybe not the perfect fireworks view that you might get in one of the other buildings with a theme park view room. Let's head back inside and we'll see that day bed that Alyssa's pulled down for us. You can see it's a twin size bed, just folds right down on top of the couch like that, so you don't have to pull cushions off or anything like that. It just folds right down and gives you that space to sleep the 5th person here in the room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this newly remodeled Lagoon View room here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours. We've got all the Walt Disney World resorts, Disney Cruise Line, and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.